Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the essentials. Charge the G733 to at least half so firmware and pairing won't fail. Turn on your Xbox One and sign in. Make sure the controller has fresh batteries or a charged battery pack. Once done, remove any USB dongles from other devices so radio interference is minimized. You're preparing a clean, powered environment. This reduces pairing errors and keeps the headset firmware communication stable during the next steps. You now connect the headset to the controller or adapter. If you have the Logitech wireless USB adapter, plug it into the Xbox One's front or rear USB port and press the adapter's pairing button followed by the headset's pairing button. Watch for the LED to stabilize. If you're using a 3.5 mm cable, plug it into the controller's jack and select headset mic in audio settings. Make sure the console detects audio output from the controller. This confirms the physical link is established. Finish by tuning audio in Xbox settings. Set headset volume, chat/game balance, and microphone monitoring so you hear game and party audio correctly. If audio or mic quality seems off, update the G733 firmware using Logitech G733 on a PC. Updates resolve codec and latency problems. If connection fails, try another controller or USB port, reboot the console, then repair. This often clears intermittent radio or USB enumeration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.